Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. A very popular issue relates to parenting time and custody. You know, sometimes the court will make an order and it'll say, okay, mom, you're going to have custody. Dad, you're going to have parenting time. You're going to have the child overnight, one night during the week. You're going to have alternative weekends. We're going to alternate the holidays. We're going to split the summer, all of that. Sometimes that works great. Sometimes it could work better. Sometimes one parent feels, I want more time with my child. How long should you wait before you go back into court and demand more? It's a good question. I mean, after all, how many times can you go back to the well? There is no hard and fast answer to that question. That is to say, there's no statute that says, if the court gave this order, you shall wait 6 months until you ask for more time. The statute doesn't say that. You're allowed to come back to the court, really, at any time, and provide the court a reason why you should get more parenting time. I will tell you this, though. You're dealing with people. Judges are people, too. If the judge, after considering all the proofs and all the evidence, writes an order and says you're going to have this parenting time and that, it doesn't make sense to file a motion with the court asking for more parenting time while the ink is still wet on the court's order, okay? Normally, the court is going to let things develop a little. The court might find that the parties need a certain amount of time to transition to the new environment. But if things are going well after a month or 2 or 3, and the child is well adjusted, and the dad wants to have parenting time, maybe an extra night or overnight during the week, maybe he wants the weekends to not end on Sunday at dinner, but maybe drop off the kid Monday morning at school, I would think that after you've given it a chance to work and everybody's settled in, the court would well entertain that. Remember one thing, the court is flooded with parents who don't care about their kids. Flooded with deadbeat moms and deadbeat dads who just take off and don't want to spend any time at all with their children. So when the court gets a parent who says, look, I'm here. I want to spend more time with my kids. I want to help out. I want to do this. I want to do that. The court is going to be very encouraged by that. That's a very good thing. Provided it's being done for the right reason, the court is likely going to be receptive to that. But I wouldn't do it immediately. Give a few months for everybody to get into the swing of things and see how it's working. And then ask the court, I want an extension. I want a little bit more time, a little bit more time. And if you get it this year, don't think that that doesn't mean you can't ask for more next year. You can ask. You can ask to the point where it's fairly equal. Because at the end of the day, remember when you were married, it was pretty equal. It was always, a shared situation. There's no reason in your divorce why it shouldn't be a shared situation either. But there is a time and a strategic place for everything, and I think you've got to consider that and keep that in mind. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.